Hi everyone, in today's video we will continue with part 2 of area and perimeter. Area, the space occupied by the shape, and perimeter, the total distance around the shape. Our first shape we're going to look at today is a circle, and when it's a circle, instead of using perimeter for the distance around, we're going to use the word circumference. So to find the area of the circle, the formula pi r square, and the perimeter, which is the circumference, is 2 pi r, and the equivalent for pi is 22/7. So let's go ahead and find the area. Area equals pi r squared. So that is equal to pi 22/7 over 22/7 times 7 meter times 7 meter over 1/1. So 7 cancel 7. So 22 times 7, 154. And meter times meter, meter squared. So the area is equal to 154 meters squared. Let's find the perimeter, or the circumference. 2 pi r, 2/1 times 22/7 times 7 meter over 1. 7 cancel 7. 22 times 2, 44, and that is meter. So the area is equal to 154 meters square, and the perimeter is 44 meter, circumference rather. So A equals 154 meter squared. C equals 44 meter. Our next shape that we're looking at today is a triangle, and we have the formula for triangle: area half base times height, and perimeter side plus side plus side. So I have two different kinds of triangle here. First we have an isosceles triangle, and we have a right angle triangle. The base of the triangle is a straight line from the height of the triangle is a straight line from the base to the top of the triangle. That means the base, the height is perpendicular to the base. So none of these lines could be the height. Now in the right angle triangle, the height here is a straight line from the base to the top. So in the shape, we have the height right as one side of the triangle. We don't have to draw the height, we already have it. So we have two different kind of triangle, same formula to find the area and the perimeter. So let's start with triangle A. So we have triangle A and we have triangle B. So area equal half base times height. Half base times height. That is half 10 meter times 12 meter, and that is half 120 meter squared, which is 60 meter squared. Now the perimeter P side plus side plus side equals 10 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter, and that gives you a total of 40 meter. So the perimeter is 40 meter. 40 meter, and the area 60 meter squared. Okay, so that's triangle A, the area and the perimeter. Triangle B, area half base times height. That is half 10 meter times 12 meter, and that is half of 120 meter squared, and that gives us 60 meter squared. And the perimeter for triangle B, side plus side plus side, 10m plus 12m plus 15m, and that is equal to 10 plus 12, 22 plus 15, 37. 37 meter. There you have it, area and the perimeter of two different types of triangle. So area 60 meter square and perimeter 40 meter, area 60 meter square, perimeter 37 meter. And there you have it. So this concludes our part 1, our 2-part lesson on area and perimeter. Hope you find this very helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to this video, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.